Hi, my name is Mary Jane and I have dull skin, so I'm going to be trying the Repechage Beauty from the Sea Brightening Skin Solution Collection. All right, first step, apply brightening cleanser. This is what it looks like. It feels nice and smooth. It's almost, you feel like the seaweed extract, like as if I'm putting seaweed on my face. A cleanser shouldn't feel like this. Like it feels moisturizing at the same time, you know? So the cleanser feels like as if it's replacing that moisture that you think you're removing. All right, second step, this is your brightening toner. Face and neck. Step 3, apply Biolight Brightening Skin Serum evenly over skin. So here is your brightening serum. I was always taught to go upwards. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but probably like that crazy person that like kind of like slaps your face. I think I remember seeing someone do that where you're just kind of tapping it, just kind of like give your face a little oomph. Fourth step, apply the AM over your face. And I will say, now that I'm getting older, skin health is so important. And I've always been the type of person that doesn't really use a ton of makeup unless I have to. Maybe because I'm not good at putting makeup on, but I always just prefer to just kind of have that natural look. Maybe it's the island girl in me. Last but not least, I am going to show you guys the PM cream. PM, repeat steps 1 to 3 and apply Biolight Brightening Overnight Cream to face. Just as important it is to use day cream, it is just as important to use something at night because that is when your body rests. How do I look? And the number one thing is I need something that's easy, quick, and also something that I know that will help with any anti-aging because it's better to start earlier than later. And I cannot wait to take along this with me for my travels and at home.